advance. As you start training your baby, small items of food may get lodged in their throat, and they may choke. They can also choke on small toys or household items if baby under 1 year old is choking. You'll notice that the baby is unable to cry, cough, or breathe. What we're going to do now is administer some back blows. So first of all, you need to lay your baby face down along their thigh. Make sure you support their head and their neck. Next, we're going to administer those directly between the shoulder blades. Give out 5 sharp back blows. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the back blows don't work, we need to move on to giving some chest thrust. You need to turn over. Put 2 fingers in the line with the armpit in the center of the chest. Give 5 sharply administered chest thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this doesn't work, call AMS for help. Repeat 5 back blows and 5 chest thrusts until help arrives. If baby is unresponsive, you will need to start CPR. So remember, if your baby is choking, check the mouth, slap it out, squeeze it out, and that's how we treat a choking baby. So now, let's proceed to obese or pregnant choking. Obese or pregnant choking, you use one technique, chest thrust. Recognize that the victim is unable to speak, breath, or cough. Ask the victim, are you choking? Encourage the victim to relax and cough to remove the object. Position yourself behind the victim, making sure the victim is upright. Place your arms around the victim, upwards and encircle the chest. Place the tongue of the face on the breastbone. Grab the face with another hand. Give successive backward thrust of 5 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, that's the obese or pregnant choking. Now, caring for a responsive choking adult consists of 5 back blows, followed by 5 abdominal thrusts. Now, I'm Marilyn. I demonstrate this care for a choking adult. To perform back blows, first position yourself to the side, behind the choking person. Now place one arm diagonally across the person's chest and bend them out the waist. This position helps to remove the object and allows to brace yourself. If the person becomes unresponsive at this point, I simulate 5 back blows. I will not fall first because this is not actually choking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After back blows, if they are unable to fall, first pick, give abdominal thrust. Find the person navel with 2 fingers. Then, behind the person, place your foot. Next, with your another hand. Finally, take your face hand and cover your face with that hand. Then, pull inward and upward to give one abdominal thrust. Now, I simulate 5 abdominal thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue giving step of 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the person can call for speed or person becomes unresponsive. It is important to know that back blows, abdominal thrusts, and chest thrusts are equally effective for responsive choking, but it takes more than one technique to clear